Welcome back to Sam Tech, your go-to channel for the latest in gaming gear and tech reviews. Today, I'm super excited because we're diving into a keyboard that's been making waves in the gaming community, the Kemove K87 mechanical gaming keyboard. Huge shout out to Kemove for sponsoring this video. Starting off with versatility, the Kemove K87 offers triple connection modes. You can easily switch between Bluetooth 5.0, 2, 4G wireless, and wired modes. Whether you're gaming or working, this keyboard has got you covered with ultra-fast, stable connections, 1000 Hz polling rate in wired and 2, 4G, and a solid 125 Hz in Bluetooth mode. Now let's talk about what makes this keyboard truly unique: the exclusive Gateron X Kemove switches. Designed with a stunning diamond prism cover, these switches offer vibrant RGB lighting that's absolutely mesmerizing. Plus, the PCB is hot swappable with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, making it super easy to customize your typing experience. Battery life, no worries. The K87 packs a massive 4000 mAh battery, giving you up to 45 days of power with the RGB off, or 15 days with those gorgeous lights on. And when it's time to replace the battery, the detachable cover makes it effortless. Safe operation is guaranteed with NTC temperature control. And for all you keycap enthusiasts out there, the K87 features premium double-shot PBT keycaps. Made from 80% PBT material, they're built to last, resisting wear, sweat, and offering a smooth, comfortable typing experience. Plus, the classic blue, white, and gray color scheme adds that extra flair to your setup. Want to add some personality to your desk? The K87's RGB lighting features 16.8 million colors and a side neon light strip that syncs with your music for an immersive experience. And with built-in silicone pads, your typing stays quiet and smooth, perfect for late-night gaming sessions. So, there you have it, the Kemove K87 mechanical gaming keyboard, a perfect blend of performance, customization, and style. If you're ready to elevate your gaming or work setup, check out the link in the description. Thanks again to Kemove for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews. Until next time, keep gaming and stay tech savvy.